What if I told you a smartphone invite could survive fire? Realme just pulled off the most insane stunt for their upcoming launch. And yes, it literally burns like a dragon's breath. Like, share and subscribe for more insane tech reveals that you will not want to miss. Here is the shocker. On October 8th, Realme is unveiling the Realme 15 Pro Game of Thrones limited edition. The invite itself? You set it on fire. And instead of turning to ash, it rebirths into the launch details. Just like the famous line, "Fire cannot kill a dragon," or in this case, an invite. But wait, it gets crazier. The box is not just packaging, it is a full-blown collector's dream. Inside, you will find a miniature map of Westeros, an Iron Throne phone stand, and cards with the legendary house sigils. And that is not all. Exclusive themes let you choose between House Stark or House Targaryen right on your phone. Now let us talk power. Under the hood, the Realme 15 Pro runs on the Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 chip with advanced vapor cooling to keep things blazing fast. Add a massive 7,000 mAh battery and a silky smooth 144Hz OLED display. And this is built for epic gaming. But here is the twist everyone is talking about. The back of the phone literally changes color from black to fiery red as it heats up. It is like holding a dragon in your hand. So the question is, will this be the most collectible smartphone of the year, or just another fan gimmick? October 8th is when we find out. Because Realme is not just launching a phone, they are playing the game of phones.